WNW, WNW, what are you doing to us today, baby? Currently up right now, $18,000. Currently up right now, pushing $20,000 on the day. We have a clear-cut downtrend where we can easily see, when we take a look at this play right here, we can see that WNW has a top right here. We can see we have a top right here. We can see we have a little top right there, another top right here, and guess what's starting to happen? We're starting to have buy orders come through on WNW. It's currently sitting right at that 118 mark. If this stock starts breaking 118, watch the level 2, it's on the bottom right here, we could start seeing a lot more hype. Now again, the stock's starting to go. I'm pulling the trigger on 500 shares. I'm going in on this play with 500 shares. I think the stock may get halted, and I'm actually going to add a few more shares on this play, get up towards around 800 shares right now. I'm going in on this. So I'm in on this because we just broke the downtrend. So I'm in right now at 120 and 94. 120 and 94, that's what I'm in on right now. I'm going to look to see if this can spike and get halted. Spike area, I'm going to put this on the top, WNW. Spike area on this where it would get halted, the LULD is going to be at 129. Look at this, guys. I'm currently up right now $3,644 because of a break of a downtrend. Halt area on LULD is 129 at this time. So I got in on 800 shares, currently up $3,644 right here off of this 800 shares. Woo! Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's see where WNW is going to keep on going. Push on up through this play. The LULD stands where it's going to get halted at. This has moved all the way up towards 132. There's 130. I'm currently up at this moment $15,000 on the day on this play. $6,200 right there. Break of the trend line. Let's go. Let's see LULD get halted. LULD's at 134. We want to see if this stock can keep on pushing up through this 130 area. There's 130. Let's see if this thing can keep on going. Here's my profits right here at this moment. WNW, WNW, what are you doing to us today, baby? Currently up right now, $18,000. Currently up right now, pushing $20,000 on the day. Let's go, baby. Let's see what we got the rest of this day. LULD's at 134.94. We were watching this play for the break of the downtrend, ready for the play at the break of the downtrend, pushing ourselves up in profit, $21,944. Halt area is now at 138.67. Stock looks like it's got some good volume towards it at this time. Let's see if we can get all the way up towards around 138.67. I'm more than okay to let this thing rock out a little bit. Why am I letting it rock out just a little bit? Is because, again, it's been an amazing day. We never know how high WNW can really go. We know WNW has had some massive ripping, some massive spiking before, and to be able to see the stock run all the way back up, we may see it go all the way up towards like 150. So I'm going to let my 800 shares kind of play out a little bit right now. Let's be smart here. We'll set a common stop loss. You know, for myself, I am going to get out if I see the stock go back down to 129. If I see 129, I will get out of the play. Okay? Does that sound fair? Other than that, hands are up. So again, WNW, this is a perfect break of the downtrend. And that's all the stock came down to, team. All we did was look at this stock and say, hey, when it breaks this downtrend, let's go ahead and enter this play. I bought in on 800 shares on this play, currently up $8,844 just from this alone. Right now, we're all set. We just hit a brand new little pop right here, all the way up towards around 137. Halt area just keeps getting pushed back, all the way back to 143. I'm currently up $23,000 today. We had some great earlier trades, which are absolutely awesome, but this one is definitely taking the cake. Currently up $13,000 on this trade. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. WNW, you can't hold us. WNW, you are a beast. Break through that 140 mark. Listen, WNW, you're a great looking play. You're absolutely fabulous. Oh, you got those great little curves. You're going to make me act up, WNW. I love it. So this play currently up at this moment, $15,000. Now the stock is still trying to push to that 140 mark. Halt area still has not happened yet. Halt area is all the way up at 145. We're still rocking and rolling on this play. Currently up at this moment, $25,000 on the day, $14,444 on this specific trade. All right, guys, new common stop loss. New common stop loss. We'll all say it. 134. 134 is the new common stop loss. Hits 134, I'm out. Is that a fair deal? I know you guys want me to hold these things until, again, my fingers fall off. But again, WNW, I'm going to go 134. If it hits 134, I am out. But WNW right now still just trying to hold. A little bit of a pullback. Got to be careful here. 136.02. Halt area on the downside is 124. Watching those bids very, very closely right here. Getting close there. 135, and I'm out. 135 right here, WNW. Come on. Get me out right here. WNW, trying to get this last little bit out. 400 shares, sell it. There we go. Guys, I'm out. I'm out. I took it, and I am out. All right. I took it, and I'm out. It was a good trade. WNW, you were a good trade right there. Again, all up towards around 25,000. Finished off with about 19,610. So again, we stuck with it. We managed with it. Again, we'll take it. We'll take that profit. All right, we gave it a chance there, but notice when we locked out of this play, WNW, we did it at the perfect time. So again, amazing job, amazing work right here. Let's go. $19,000. Team, this just brought my December profits to just shy of $50,000. $50,000. We are just shy in the month today. That is amazing. That is so awesome, so fired up for this day. And you know what? It's not even power hour yet. Let's keep it going, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep it going today, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! What just happened on my trade? How was I able to make this profit over on WNW? Simple enough, guys. This all comes down to our trend lines. Now, of course, when you guys go to the video library over on tradecaster.com, you guys will have your side folders where you guys can go right to the trend line lesson. And we actually just updated our brand new trend line lesson 4 weeks ago, where I talk about the different trend lines and how buyers are going to react for trend lines either breaking or cracking. Simple enough, I can bring up a few different pictures, and what we can always see is when we see a reversal from either the downside or to the upside, aka the bearish side to the bullish side, we always see some sort of strong cracking or selling volume or some sort of strong buying volume moving on in if it breaks. So here's some uptrends. Uptrend, the stock is climbing, 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 climbing. We go from the bullish side to the bearish side, the stock drops. Notice, when we're climbing, 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 we go from the bullish side to the bearish side, we get a hard crack. We get a hard crack. We get a hard crack. All I did on WNW is completely reverse that. So I saw right here, let me scroll back just slightly, where we see that we have WNW climbing on up, and now what happened? We have a top, we drop. Top, slightly lower, we drop. Top, slightly lower, we drop. Top, slightly lower, we drop. So what was I saying? I was saying, hey, if this breaks through this 118 mark, I'm going to go ahead and look for an entry. So where did I jump in on this play? I started jumping in on WNW when I saw it go above 118. Since, again, I was doing a market order because I just wanted to get filled. I didn't get filled until 121, 120.78, and I got filled at 120.78 right here. So these are the orders that I got in on. Came out to 800 shares. Then what happened? Big buying volume came through. You can actually see all this big buying volume that came on through right down here on the bottom, right down here. Notice that big buying volume came through because we broke through the downtrend. The moment we break through that downtrend, we're going from bearishness to bullishness, and we see a very nice rip and run. So that was, again, a very simple, very easy. It's not, again, anything complicated. I'm not sitting here on my end and saying, all right, guys, WNW, the company's financials came out to 3.2 over 89 million. That's going to divide it by the multiply of, the Phoenix Fear, and we're going to see what's going to be coming on. And it's like, what? You don't need to do anything. All we have on this line, guys, is we have a downtrend. Downtrend, we break the downtrend, go from the bad side to the good side, the bear side to the bull side, the shorting side to the buying side. We start seeing very big buyers come on in. Stop overcomplicating your trading. Simplify it. You guys are going to make so much money. And that's how, again, I've been able to make almost $20,000 today. So WNW has been absolutely awesome. And all this was a break of the downtrend. Doesn't get much more simple than that. Came on down, saw this play. It's a top gainer today, so it got a lot of volume since it's been one of the best gainers over the past 2 days. And since it's gone on this massive spike from $9 to $150, I was assuming that more volume was going to move in other than just myself. Other traders recognized this pattern, and it led to this beautiful squeeze. So great job, great work. And as always, we have been seeing it day after day after day. But guys, I got to, again, give you guys your credits. Look at the traders who have banked today. James, $672. Maddie saying he's back, baby. 6,957. 325, 900, 1,900. T-Money, 3,220. 1,400, 400, 350. There's my earlier profit. FT Warren, $9,000. 820. Jenny making some great gains. 256, 1,500. $19,000 for Sunny C. Congrats, dude. That is absolutely awesome. We're We're seeing Nicky Nichols, 6,200. Here's again my small account challenge from earlier. Adam T, $10,000. Great job, Adam T. We're having a Renard make money. We're seeing again Adam T lock it up. So many traders today have been banking day in and day out, and I could not be more excited and more happy for you guys.